Hi, this is Mardy once again and welcome to my channel. On June 27, 1914, Helena Zoila Benitez, a senator, founder of the Bayanihan Philippine Dance Company, a pioneer environmentalist, educator, advocate of culture, and civil society leader, was born in Manila to Conrado Benitez and Francisca Terona. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa mga susunod kong videos, please click the bell notification below. At sana po, don't skip the ads and please watch until the end of my video. Si Benitez ay nagsilbi sa Senado ng Pilipinas mula 1968 hanggang 1972. Bilang senador, siya ay nag-akda at nag-co-author ng makabuluhang batas sa edukasyon, lakas tao at pag-unlad ng kabataan, pamilya, pabahay at kapaligiran. Noong panahon ng martial law, kinatawan niya ang Region 4, Southern Tagalog Region sa interim batasang pambansa mula 1978 hanggang 1984 at ang lalawigan ng Cavite sa regular batasang pambansa mula 1984 hanggang 1986. Kabilang sa mga batas na tinulungan niyang maipasa ay ang Republic Act 5752 o the Municipal Forest and Watersheds Act RA 6147, the Philippine Eagle Protection Act, Republic Act 6148, the Tamaraw Sanctuaries Act, Republic Act 6239, the Forestry Profession Law, at Republic Act 6541, ang National Building Code. Siya rin ang responsable para sa unang komprehensibong ulat sa estado ng kapaligiran ng Pilipinas noong 1971 at Congressional Joint Resolution No. 3 na nagtatag ng mga pangunahing patakaran na gumabay sa bansa sa mga pagsisikap nitong maisakatuparan ang panlipunan at pang-ekonomiyang pang-unlad sa pamamagitan ng pagpaplanong pangkalikasan. Si Benitez ang kauna-unang Pilipina na namuno sa United Nations Commission on the Status of Women, ang unang Filipina na miyembro ng lupo ng International Association of Universities, at ang unang pinagkalooban ng Presidential Award ng Order of Sikatuna na may ranggo na dato. Naghawak ng ilang degree sa universidad kabilang ang Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Science in Education, Magna Cum Laude Philippine Women's University, at Masters of Arts, George Washington University, USA noong 1939. Postgraduate Studies, University of Chicago at Iowa State College, USA. Noong June 4, 2012, pinagtibay ng Senado ang Senate Resolution 786 na itinaguyod ni Senador Loren Legarda na pinarangalan siya sa kanyang paglilingkod sa sambayanang Pilipino bilang senador, pioneer na environmentalist, tagapagturo, tagapagtaguyod ng kultura at pinuno ng lipunang sibil. Si Benitez ay tumanggap din ng maraming pagsipi at parangal mula sa maraming government at non-government entity para sa kanyang kontribusyon sa edukasyon, kababaihan, kapaligiran at tirahan, gawaing pansibiko at simbahan at mga internasyonal na gawain. Ang kanyang ina, si Francisca Terona Benitez, ay kapwa nagtatag ng Philippine Women's College noong 1919 na naging Philippine Women's University noong 1932. Si Helena ay nagsilbi bilang chairman ng Board of Trustees ng PWU. Her father, Conrado Benitez, was among the pensionados recipients of college scholarship grants to the United States during the American occupation. Her father was also a delegate to the 1935 Constitutional Convention and the first dean of the University of the Philippines College of Business Administration. Helena Zoila Benitez died on July 14, 2016. She was 102 years old. Thank you very much for watching. And according to Amena Mehmood, it's okay to cry when there's too much on your mind. The clouds rain too when things get heavy. Shout out and thanks to the comment of Pilar Digia and Jean Morales. Maraming salamat po.